Almost 500,000 people have been affected by heavy rain and flood in the Chinese province of Guangdong, according to authorities, after parts of southern China were hit by the heaviest downpours in 60 years over the weekend. Flooding caused by the torrential heavy rain has forced 177,600 people to relocate, destroyed 1,729 houses, damaged 27.13 hectares of crop and caused losses of more than $250 million. Rain and wind speed of 205 km/h. Guangdong's Department of Emergency Management said Saturday. Guangdong is one of at least 7 provinces where the record rainfall has caused flooded roads, city underwater according to state media. In southwestern Guizhou province, swollen rivers spilled over roads, sweeping away cars and homes, videos on social media showed. For more videos like this video and subscribe to our channel Word Catalilsm TV and press the bell icon. Thank a lot.